Hi viewers and subscribers, welcome to my YouTube channel, RGL Innovation. This video is all about the lighting above the China cabinet or any cabinet. I'm going to install the LED fluorescent light bulb on the top of this cabinet. This is the fluorescent fixtures, and there's no LED fluorescent light bulb before. That's why there is a ballast. So I'm going to remove this ballast. And this kind of ballast is good for 2 lamps. This is the extension cord for the fluorescent fixtures. And I'm using the same fluorescent holders, 2 on the left side and 2 on the right side. On the left side, I have to hook up the fluorescent holder on the right side, and the other fluorescent holder is on the right side, so it goes together, and hook up to the other line of the extension cord for the fluorescent fixtures. The left side and the left side for the other holder it goes together and hook up on the other line of the extension cord. And there's a green wire, it's a ground, and hook up to the body of the fluorescent fixtures. And the right side of the fluorescent holder, you notice that there's no connection there, and I'm going to use this one as a holders only for the fluorescent LED light bulb. This is the LED T8 tube fluorescent light bulb, and there's a level on the left side of this terminal. $120 AC, and you notice that there's an arrow, and that's only for the power supply. And the other side, the right side, there's no power supply or any indicator for power supply, and this is just only a holder. Now I have to put the cover for the fluorescent fixtures. On my fluorescent fixtures covers, you'll notice that I wrote power 120 volts AC on the left side, and on the right side it's a holders only. The reason why is when we change the LED light bulb, we know where's the terminal on each side. Right side is for holders only, and left side is for power supply 120 volts AC only. and I want to make sure that this one is on the right side with power. Just hook up on the left side first, and these two pins is on the vertical position when you install on the holder, and when you twist and lock on position, these two pins should be like this. It's on vertical position. Twist until the LED is on the top. The same procedure, and make sure that the power supply is on the left side. It's on vertical, then twist again, then the LED is on the top. We have to plug in now the power to check the illumination for this LED fluorescent light bulb. I have to plug in on the wall socket. Now I have to switch off and on the switch for the light. And this is my LED fluorescent light bulb above my cabinet. Now I'm going to put the plastic cover to prevent from any dust on the top of the LED fluorescent light bulb. This is my LED fluorescent light bulb on my China cabinet right now, and It's nice and bright. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please subscribe and share. Until next time.